Finally, we have reached the city of Jeddah and take some much needed downtime while soaking up the sights, culture and tastes of the old town of Bilad. We even try some Camel. Then a short ride around the city to arrange our ferry to Sudan and drop our bike at BMW for a service and some new gear.
New toys, new toys.
Got?
I don't know. What is it called, Matt? I have no idea. A quadsicle?
This is what you've got. It's basically two tandems bolted together. Come on, Ahmed. Yalla. The next morning, Ahmed took us to a shoe repair shop to get my boot fixed. After the incident a few days ago on the highway where my foot caught something in the road and completely ripped my boot open. New glue, new stitching. Lovely. And even this one repaired. Ahmed brought us to this little shop and they've got a huge selection of dates. And we've been wanting to buy some while we're here in Jeddah. So we've tried like 5 or 6 different ones. Six different ones. And they actually all taste different. They're from different regions and different ways of growing them. And we've picked our favourite.
I like 1, 2, 3.
One more.
Check. Yeah.
I like that one. Good
It's
flavour. Soft, chewy.
Light.
Yeah.
This is the best one.
Shukran.
Shukran.
What is it?
Castle?
Castle? Maybe gate. Maybe gateway entrance. Gate to the city.
Maybe. We are walking around Bilad and it's basically the old town of Jeddah.
Yeah, so Bilad was founded in like the 7th century and it was originally the sort of the city centre of Jeddah. But then when there was like the big oil boom. Hello, welcome to Saudi Arabia. When there was the big oil boom here and the country and city began to prosper and have a lot more money and wealth, people started to move away from Bilad because it didn't have like parking spaces for their big cars, it didn't have the designer shops, and it just reminded them of less wealthy, prosperous times. So Bilad has been pledged like $13 million to restore all of the old buildings that are falling down.
On the outskirts, like the rest of Jeddah, it's all being ripped down and starting fresh. Look over here.
Vision 2030, right?
Vision 2030.
Vision 2030. The buildings here literally look like they're falling over, like they're leaning to the side. There's cracks all over them, they're falling apart. So I think it's these ones that they've pledged all this money to basically restore. Because this place is a UNESCO site as of 2014 or something.
All of the old original buildings have these wooden shutters, windows, balconies. We just learned that the wooden area on the houses is called a rushan. So it is designed for ventilation and most importantly for privacy for women so they cannot be seen.
Yeah, so the houses don't really have windows. They just have these wooden frames. So the air can go in and you can see out a little bit, but no one can see in.
You can see that the buildings get closer and closer together, and that's because it gives shade and wind for people walking around.
I feel the wind and I enjoy the shade. Lucy, what on earth are you doing?
I'm cleaning my teeth with miswak.
What is it?
I don't know.
Looks like a piece of wood.
It is a piece of wood. It's called miswak. It comes from the Salvador tree.
What does it do?
Cleans your teeth.
Okay.
It has some antibacterial stuff inside.
Lovely. Dude, it is absolutely baking. It is way too hot to be walking around in the middle of the day. What, it's like 45 degrees or something. Ugh. Our host Ahmed over here, top chef, has cooked for us Camel.
Yeah.
Right? We've never had camel. We never thought we'd eat camel.
First time.
But we're excited to try it, but it feels a bit strange.
First time for everything.
Yeah. How do you call the dish? Kabsa, right?
Yeah,
Kabsa?
Kabsa.
Kabsa. Okay. Shukran.
You're welcome.
Let's eat.
Okay, so the camel meat, I think, it compares to lamb, mostly, across all of the meats that I can think of.
Like it?
Yes.
Different?
Very.
Good.
Yes? Okay.
Bye.
شكرا.
شكرا.
عفوا.
Okay. Okay.
We go.
Shukran, Ahmed. Bye bye.
Shukran,
Bye bye.
thank you, bye bye.
Wow.
On to the next one.
Yeah. Ahmed was a really great host. His apartment was super clean, it was super comfortable, and he just did everything for us, and it was great. Like, he took us all around the town today and yesterday, getting things sorted here, there, and everywhere. My boots. We tried to get some malaria tablets, and he showed us a bit of Jeddah, which was great.
Thank you, Ahmed.
Thank you, Ahmed. Oh no.
Turn right
that one.
onto Al Khawra.
Right, we are off to see the shipping agents to arrange our crossing from Jeddah to Port Sudan.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Fuck me, it's so hot, I can't.
It's boiling.
Mountain. What degrees?
35.
But it doesn't feel like that though, it feels warm.
It feels hotter. Ah, Nama. It's like, maybe it's that building.
Right then, wait.
But he didn't pin that building. So Nama is the company we're shipping with.
Hello, Matt.
Oh,
This way.
that's the guy, I reckon.
Hello.
Hello.
Salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum.
Hey.
Mr. Azari. Good, how are you?
This is the company. Now we're going to see if there is a the nearly next month. This is very of October. The very ferry.
Okay.
The schedule is not regular.
Oh, I understand.
Something like that.
Yeah.
And you can see
Okay.
the bike. Say to him.
We park over here? Okay, perfect. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well. Fucking here.
Very good. Okay.
Scoot your boot.
Right, we've come to Nama Shipping here in Jeddah. It's the only company that runs a ferry from Saudi Arabia to Port Sudan. There's 2 a week only.
Monday and Thursday.
Monday and Thursday. So we've met an agent here that we were connected with by the Irish bikers, Phil and David. Cheers for that, guys. So the first thing that he told us when we arrived is don't buy a tourist visa for Sudan, buy a transit visa, which is a super helpful tip.
Makes sense.
It makes a lot of sense, and it's way cheaper. So immediately he saved us like $200. But he then told us, you can just get one here. Probably. There were some Spanish guys here with a car just this week, I think, and they went to the embassy here in Jeddah to apply for the transit visa. He's waiting to confirm if they get it.
But we will fly to Cairo anyway because our flights are booked and they're non-refundable. So we're going on holiday.
Yeah, little short trip to Cairo for holiday.
And we will still get the visa in Cairo.
So when you come here to sort out the shipping, you can't make any booking until the day of the ship, we learned. So we just got all the information we needed, and then we come back on Thursday the 6th of October, and that's when we do all the arrangements with the payment and everything. So it's done, yeah, pretty much sorted. We come back in a few days.
Cool.
This is Mr. Azari. He's the agent for Nama Shipping here.
Hi.
And he's been so helpful to help us to arrange everything. He answered all our questions, and he saved us $200 on visa fees.
Inshallah. Okay. I will do my best to help everybody from you.
Thank you.
Fine.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
All right, let's get out of here.
gonna burn my butt. Lego. Jana.
That was pretty straightforward and I would say pretty successful overall. Next stop, BMW garage. We come up into the northeast corner of Jeddah to the official BMW service centre and showroom here. Here it is. I'm going to park in the shade. Shade is always the one for bikes. Alright, good.
Come in?
Yeah.
Fancy. So we were expecting like official BMW, of course, but thinking it would just be a service centre, so some garage somewhere. And it's like a huge, luxurious, posh showroom, everything clean, and we arrived like looking like disgusting travellers with a battered up old bike.
It's not like the garage in Istanbul, is it?
Right, we are replacing our dirty, smelly, broken old GV tank bag with the new Lone Rider Ranger 9 litre bag. Shiny, new, much better looking straight off the bat. New toys,
Pocket.
new toys.
Pocket. Looks so smooth.
All waterproof, with no cover.
Yeah.
Ooh-wee.
Just remove.
Pocket. 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 Pocket.
Pockets everywhere.
Pocket.
Lovely. Overall review, Lucy. Impressed?
Yeah,
Looks good.
looks good.
I think that's everything organised for the bike service. Basically told him what we had done last time and that we want to spend as little money as possible. We even gave him our spare spark plugs to fit. And yeah, so he's going to do a basic service and then send us a text and tell us what else is needed, and we'll just pick it up in a few days. Annoyingly, our new moto bag panniers have not arrived, which is bad news because our current one's in a terrible state and they really need replacing before Africa. So we're really trying to get that sorted before we leave. So hopefully they can be shipped here within a week or so. Also, we picked up our carnet, which is good news.